Meet Erica. She manages a support team that's 100 agents strong. At the scale at which her company is growing, the issue volume is increasing rapidly. Ensuring her team is motivated and productive to solve customer issues at scale on multiple channels is a problem she's hoping to tackle. Now, that's no easy task. She notices that a lot of issues her agents handle are repetitive, with multiple back-and-forth interactions. They seem to spend a lot of time crafting responses and juggling multiple tools to resolve them. Issues are piling up. Her customers are dissatisfied with delayed responses, and her agents are frustrated. How can Erica turn this situation around, you ask? Meet Freddy, the best-in-class AI platform from Freshworks. Erica deploys customer-facing bots with the help of Freddy on all channels that her customers love, be it email, chat, phone, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. The list is endless. Bots are now the first line of defense for her team, and all the transactional questions are automatically taken care of. The bots detect intent, engage in conversation, and provide resolutions. With instant resolution, customers are delighted, and agents are also relieved of these mundane questions. But that's just half the bridge crossed. Erica still has to help her agents be more productive. Well, Freddy's got her back here too. With Freddy's agent-facing AI capabilities, Erica is able to set up bots to onboard, train, and assist her agents in solving complex issues faster. That's not all. Freddy takes care of classifying all incoming tickets, suggests relevant knowledge-based articles and canned responses, and even helps agents automate processes on external systems with just a click. Erica's team is no longer dependent on multiple tools to deliver exceptional customer service. Now, all she has to do is monitor the performance of her team and Freddy. With faster responses and resolutions, her CSAT scores are better than ever. Her agents are starting to have their valuable time back and are getting productive by the day. It's a win-win. How easy was that? Take the AI-first approach to customer support with Freddy.